Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, Next Stop News February 2026. Video of Gold Line construction and bus bridge. Text, Gold Line service disruption through February 5, 2026. Visit SacRT.com/goldline for details. Video of people, bikes, buses and trains. Text, Help create safer streets to transit. Join a public workshop. Get details at SacRT.com/saferoutes. Video of Tower Bridge and Streetcar renderings. Text, Public comment period extended for Downtown Riverfront Streetcar project. Review document at SacRT.com/streetcar. Video of SacRT hiring event. Text, SacRT is hiring. Start the new year with a new career. Join us February 10th or 19th. Visit SacRT.com/hiring events. Video of Transit Connect app and people using mobile devices. Text, Reminder, ZipPass transitions to Transit Connect. Download the new app at SacRT.com/Transit Connect. Video of buses and Rosa Parks. Text, Honor Rosa Parks on Transit Equity Day with fare-free bus rides. Get the free ride flyer at SacRT.com/Transit Equity. Logo, Sacramento Regional Transit. Text, check out the February edition of Next Stop News at SacRT.com/NSN.